Hi, clinic owners. So today what I wanted to talk about is the idea that I don't have enough time to work on my business because I'm too busy treating patients and I can't stop. So it's a frustration that clinic owners have a lot, that they can't make the time to develop on their business, that they feel like they're burning the candle at both ends. And as a result, the business is stagnating and it's not as profitable as they could be. Um, and really what it is that these clinic owners are working so many hours treating patients and firefighting that they have a long list of things that they know they want to implement into their business ideas, but they just can't get around to doing them. It's a new skill set maybe that they need to learn and they don't have time to do so. Uh, and what they really want is they want enough time to be able to work on the business without losing money so that they don't have to be there. They can replace the time they would have spent treating patients, not all of it, but some of it, with time working on the business, but that they're not going to lose the income because they're not treating those patients. And they want to get rid of the idea that they're feeling of being run ragged. And they want that business and profits to grow without having to burn out, without having to actually do more work, because they can't do any more work than they're doing. Maybe they're working weekends, catching up with accounts, suppliers, etc., etc. So there's a few things I'd say about that. The first is there's only one thing you cannot make more of, and that is time, your time. So you've got to choose wisely how you use your time. Now, you can make more time in your clinic, more billable hours, by having other people do so. So if you're working 40 hours a week, you can't physically do any more maybe, but you can have two other people come in and do 40 hours a week each, which gives you 80, so you can make more, but you cannot make more of your time. And you cannot grow your business unless you treat your business as a business, okay? And that means spending time on its development. So spending time on CPD for your business. And the time you spend working on your business needs to be looked on as an investment in your business. An investment that will repay itself many times over if you do it correctly. So most clinic owners will have, they're clinicians and they'll have no problem spending time and money and maybe even giving up their weekend to go on a clinical development day, a CPD day. But the idea of doing it on their business is they've never thought about it that way. And the CPD day, while you need to be good clinically, I don't doubt that, does not pay you back as much as it would do as an owner, as you could if you put time and effort into doing CPD of business, into CPD of marketing, into CPD of knowing your numbers, etc., etc. So to recap, what you need is you need a mindset that values your time spent working on the business. You need to look on it as an investment. And if you do so, it will result in higher profits and a better business. But you also need a plan, you need a strategy to allow you to spend less time treating patients so that you can have more time to think about your business and work on your business without making less money. In fact, you should be able to make more money. That's the whole point. And if you want help with implementing that into your business, which is what we do in our here in More Practice Profits, then take that next step and book what we call a 10-minute triage call with one of my team. It's just a quick phone call where we'll have a chat and see what are your issues, what are your solutions you're looking for, and if we think we're the right fit, if we think we can help you, we'll talk about what your next steps are. It is not a sales call. We do not do sales calls. But doing the same thing you're doing now is not going to get you a different result. You've got to change. What got you to where you are now will not get you to the next step that you're looking to get to, which for most clinic owners is a bit more freedom and a bit more income. So until next time, this is Lorca Dunla signing out.